Approval policies route the right quotes to the right reviewer before they ever reach the buyer. Let's build your first one. It takes about a minute. Open Approvals and click Create Policy. QuotWay keeps merchant approvals, your team, separate from buyer approvals on their side. Give it a name, like Manager Approval for big discounts. New policies are enabled by default, and the enabled checkbox lets you keep one on file without running it. In the flow, choose who reviews and when. Your team, before a proposal is sent, that's the moment QuotWay pauses for a sign-off. Then pick which quotes need it. Choose above or below a value. Set the operator and amount, say, at least 5,000, and the currency to match your quote. Add a step and choose who approves, specific staff or anyone with a role, like manager. Any one of them can clear the step. For a buyer-side policy, add their approvers by email. They review and approve from their own account or quote portal. No login on your side. Save the policy. Now every matching quote waits. If every step approves, the proposal goes out. If any step rejects, it returns to review. The approver opens the Quotes Approvals tab, adds a rationale, and hits Approve or Reject. Buyers get the same review on their side. That's your first approval policy. The right eyes on the right deals automatically. QuotWay, built for Shopify.